and we're going to put it into a box and we are going to ship it to the US. Third of the price. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these screws in here, like pre-screw them in. Teacher would say, Mr. Gomes. He's on my Facebook. You learn as you go.
Build it.
Getting someone else to do it. Well, which is why I pre-drilled. See, look at that. That's pretty flush. Look at that. Spot on.